Stencil art was popularised in the 90s by a French artist called Black, and this is Black on the right hand side. It's easy to achieve in Photoshop. I have an image on the left and I'm going to show you how we can do it. If I go to the menu Image, Adjustments and Threshold, click on Threshold, we get the loop box up at the threshold, and you can see the threshold lever is set to 128, which is dead center. The threshold just means we're going to change an image to a black point or a white point. There's nothing in between. If I move the slider to the right, you can see I'll push more into the black, and if I push it to the left, I'll go into more of the white areas. So I'm just going to take this down to about there, and you can see now I've got a black and white stencil image. All I need to do is press OK and the image is done.